everyone, welcome back to James Marketing Channel. Today's clip will show you how to use a software tool that help us automatically warm up Facebook accounts in large quantity and fully automatic. Everybody. This is the main interface of the software to help us warm up bulk of accounts. As you can see, I've got about 500 account, and we're going to warm up the account in the interactive section. The fact that warm up an account will help. The account has an active history. This will limit the Facebook locks and restrictions. Now I will choose the accounts to growth. Then I'll set up interacting scripts. These scenarios we can have action like real people. What to do when Facebook? Scan at the history of our actions. There are things that act like real people. If we just go to spam, it's very easy to get locked out. We need to auto-interact with these. Account to avoid locked more. We will have those. Acting like a real person is like reading the news. New feed like post. Watch short video. Watch long videos, and so on. I'm currently choosing about 4. There, and I will set up 4 actions here. Save the script. It's that we had a script that auto-interact. We can completely set up according to our need. In addition, we can set up scripts to interact with friends, interact with the specified UID file, interaction in the group, and interaction with fan page to increase interaction for that fan page. So we have a lot of these scenarios, and today I'm going to run the account script. And now I'm going to save this script. And we'll then choose this scenario. Select the accounts to run. And now I'm going to click Start the software will automatically use these accounts go and act like real people to increase trust for everyone's accounts. And let's see. If you need a live demo, contact me. BYE everyone, please refer to the software.